As you can see, I got some one hearses. And then right in there, I got some Farmingtons. Thanks for watching. Alright, you can see there's some Centervilles in here. Some old lamps. I can't see it. Yeah, that promise isn't there. One there. Thanks for watching. Those, I believe, are Terra Center Industrials. So, yeah, whatever. Thanks for watching. Just found some quick necks in here. These are fucking cool, I guess. Thanks for watching. I don't know what these are, but yeah. There's 3 of them here. And yeah. Thanks for watching. These are both. These, I believe, are some kind of. It might be padding or something. I'm not sure. Thanks for watching. These, I believe, are moss. I don't know what these are. I don't know what these are. Thanks for watching. These, I believe, I don't know what these are, but. Hold up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Alright, I got one of them going in here. I've been here before. It's our home decoration collections right here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. So here's some Hunter Nissums in there. Yeah, those are kind of nice lights. Those ones are on. Thanks for watching. I believe you can tell that I believe there's some hunters inside. I'm not sure. I can see them running. Thanks for watching. Light text. Close up hugger. Right here. Thanks for watching. Same ones I saw in Maine. There's another one right here. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that seems like a thing. There's a silent breeze in here. Yeah, there's a classic there. Yeah, these 3 in here. Actually 5. 5 classics up here. I can't see. Why can't I see anything? Okay. I guess it doesn't focus, huh? There's one right there. Ah, fuck. There you go. Thanks for watching. Yeah, fun fact, I did not see about that. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, thanks for watching.